Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 1.5 self-charging hybrid Jazz Crosstar. Now of course it is finished in shining grey, which is quite a popular colour on these Jazz hybrids. However, you do get full LED headlights, LED fog lights, and you do get 4 front parking sensors as well. You also get these brilliant 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as standard as well, all of which are in perfect condition. And I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what design pattern you do get on these alloys. But walking around to the rear, you'll notice that it is a late 21, early 22 year model. You've got 4 rear parking sensors and a reversing camera up at the top just there. Moving into the tailgate, you have got plenty of room in here as well. You've also got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and the seats do fold flat with this level just here. Walking around the car again, you've got full LED rear lights as well. You've then got your diamond cut alloy at the back there. So inside the car we do have the cloth grey with the white and black accents on the outer edge. You've got Isofix mounting points on the rear seats as well. You've got full keyless entry and automatic windows all round as well. You've then got your electric handbrake with brake hold in the middle, and then your economy mode just here. You've then got your eCVT gearbox in the middle, and your climate control in the front with 2 front heated seats. You've then got a 9.5-inch display in the middle, which comes with your satellite navigation. It comes with your various audio sources just there, so Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and a few various others. And you do have full Bluetooth hands-free as well. You've also got a nice little bit of additional storage there to the top left. And then you've got a brilliant multifunction steering wheel in the middle and on the steering wheel. You've got your volume controls on the left with your voice assistant and track select. You've then got your onboard computer controls just here. The home button, return, and the bezel here does control your screen up at the top. You've then got your cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side with your lane keep assist and distance control. But then you also have automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see the car has only done 10,128 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Jazz Crosstar, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.